Huncho. Yeah. Today we about to watch this video. We got a Jersey in the house, you know what I'm saying? Jersey. If you're from Jersey, let me know. I'm gonna say Jersey in the house. I'm from Jersey, you know what I'm saying? Little Jersey, you feel me? 732, you know what I'm saying? The Parkway Star. You know what I'm saying? We got Fetty Wap. He just dropped a new video called Flip Phone. I thought he dropped a video called Trap Phone or Flip Phone already. Flip Trap Phone, I don't know, Flap Chip Phone. But we're gonna find out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna play this video, I'm gonna watch this, you know what I'm saying? And I fucks with Fetty Wap, you know what I'm saying? He be keeping the boss, he be like, you know what I'm saying? That's my boy. But alright, let's watch this video, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. 300 RGF production.
Where are you going?
Paris?
Yeah.
Jose B, alright. Shout out Jose. That's my boy.
Yeah.
Him and Swing got collabs with him and Swing, you know what I'm saying? Him and Swing.
Yeah. Yeah. I just wanna bone my niggas. I'ma stack it on to the ceiling, yeah. I went and did it right for the palace.
Sound like the same song.
Now I know they
different
all
video?
understand me. Yeah, I spent a couple $100,000 for my mama. Yeah, I spent like 50 for my toys for the dollars. Yeah, you ain't heard the Remy boys only commas.
Okay.
I got homies from the zoo going pop. Yeah, I got candy.
Why did we do the video? The first video was hard.
Driving slow, so police don't pull me over. Yeah, niggas know we gon' go until it's over. Yeah, mama said she want no truck that's moving slow. Yeah, stay alive and stay emmed up until I'm old.
What's the difference, like? You need to some niggas out the video. You want this one to go viral? Like what happened? Where the gold Mercedes chain at?
I'm
disappointed a little bit.
I just need a couple grams out the pot. And I only need a little, not a lot. Yeah, bitch, I can turn your spot to a block.
Yeah, but the first video was harder, bro. What you want? Supreme? Nah, what my twin had on my feet.
And my only dream is taking to the moon. Run up, I'm attacking with the goon. Yeah, bitch, dog gotta eat with a fool. Yeah, bitch, dog
twin
go
know Fetty Wap.
peace, you a shit. Yeah, niggas ain't moving right. Yeah, still my crew like yeah.
He didn't do the thing like, yo, that he was doing in the first video.
I'ma just do it.
Come on, bro.
She gonna move it like
Why you want to die? Money in the air and all this thing? I don't know, bro. What? Some people were supposed to be in the video that wasn't in the video? I don't get it. Your hair different? I don't get it. I don't know, but Fetty Wap, I'm doing whatever he's doing. I can't hate on it though. I fuck with the song. But I like the first video he made. I like the first video he made was better. The first video that he made was better. I don't know what he's doing with this video. I've been Huncho. You know what I'm saying? You know I keep it real. Feel me? You gotta feel me on this. I keep it real. Jersey, fuck with Jersey artists. Fuck with Fetty Wap. Fuck with his song. You know what I'm saying? His come up was real. But I don't know what he's doing with this video. The other video was at like something mil. This other video was meaner than this one. Keep it a stack. Keep it a stack. This video I give it a 6 out of 10. You feel me? The other video I was giving it an 8.5 out of 10. That's a big difference. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Like I don't know if you wanted to have other people in the video that was in the video. Damn, this shit's so good. It's hard. I don't even want to have other people in the video that was in the video, but I'm just telling. The first video was alright, man. That shit was mean. It wasn't just alright, mean. You know what I mean? But you're doing you, man. Nigga, salute. You know what I'm saying? Huncho. You know what I'm saying? Like this video, subscribe. Fuss with me. Fuss with me, cause everybody fuss with me. You fuss with hot popcorn, I fuss with you. You know what I'm saying? You my homie. If you I'm out one. Love, one squad. Ivan, Huncho with the big dick, big nigga dick, big nigga. Yeah, big dick nigga Ivan Huncho. I'm here, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Today we got a Jersey artist, Fetty Wap.